guys, welcome to Vegas.Pk. Today we're gonna review Rude Too Much Drama eyeshadow palette. So first I'm gonna show you some swatches and then I'm gonna create a makeup look, so stick around till the end. So the thing about Rude Cosmetics is that it's not only affordable, it's cruelty-free and it's vegan. So this palette is actually the dupe of Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. As you can see, the colors are very similar. They have the matte colors as well as the shimmery ones. So let's go with the swatches and see how pigmented they are. So as I do the swatches, you guys can see that these colors are highly pigmented. Even the shimmery ones, wow. And the texture is so creamy, you guys. I cannot wait till I apply these to my eyes. I'm super excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a smoky eye. Since the palette has a lot of warm, beautiful, intense colors, I feel like it's perfect for a smoky eye look. Just so you guys know, this year's smoky eye is back in the spotlight thanks to the masks, which limits the use of lip products. Regardless of the hot season, spring and summer catwalks saw a lot of super intense smoky eyes this year, as they are mostly requested by the designers. So here's the final look, you guys. I really enjoyed working with this palette. The good thing about it is the color neutrality. I feel like it will work with people from all skin tones. So it has some very nice light shades as well that you can use for your daytime looks. So if you're looking for building a kit, I feel like this palette is a must-have. The only downside is that if you're somebody who likes colorful, cool tone eye makeup, this is going to limit your options. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below. Till then, take care and stay safe.